Hey you guys, so weekly video here. I apologize that my face is not in the video, but my camera's not working. So I did change the agenda and I just wanted to go over that with you pretty briefly. Off to the side here is how much time at home you should be spending on the things that I assign you. So it's the same in the sense of up here at the top, it's telling you where to go and where to navigate to. But on the sides, it's telling you at home in this white section, you were to watch this video, complete your Chapter 2 test, which should take about 45 minutes. It's located on Big Ideas, and you need to show your work on a separate piece of paper. And then once you're done with that, you're going to upload your picture to Schoology and make sure that you submit that. In person, we're going to do Chapter 3 notes and the homework assignment, as well as an activity. And so I didn't give you that packet for the next chapter yet, so you don't have anything that you need to do before coming to class. Just make sure that this stuff is submitted before next Tuesday. I recommend the sooner you get the Chapter 2 test out of the way, the better. I also put my Zoom links off the side here, just so you guys don't forget. You'll see the weekly video will show up there, hopefully working. And then we have our Chapter 2 test. This is where you will show, you will post the picture of your showing work form and then submit that. Make sure I can read it. If I can't read your paper, I can't give you points back. And so you wouldn't earn any partial points on any problems that you maybe missed. Then here's where you will post your Chapter 3 showing work page. This will be completed in class. Whatever is not completed in class, you will need to finish as homework, but it won't become unlocked to you until you have me in class and in person because you haven't learned this stuff yet. So you wouldn't know how to do the homework. So just like we've been doing, it'll unlock in class and you'll have time for that. And then if you're absent this week, please make sure that you email me so I can actually send you the video notes, and that way you don't fall behind in class. And so I can also send you those paper notes as well. If you have any questions or if you want to take your test during my Zoom links or my Zoom times, feel free. Then you can just hop on that Zoom link and you can easily ask your question, or feel free to send me an email. If you've made it this far, then you have an opportunity to earn some Links bucks. I want you to email me and I want you to let me know your thoughts on this. Is cereal considered a soup? Why or why not? Let me know and I'll give you some Links bucks. Super important, riveting question. Can't wait to hear your guys' thoughts on that. So I'm going to let you go so that way you can get started on all the things you need to do this week. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you.